A very good day to all my listeners all across the world. Welcome back to my podcast, George Nathaniel, and this is George Nathaniel for each one of you. Thank you, each one of my listeners, for coming across various platforms and listening to my podcast, and also coming to my website, georgenathaniel.net, listening to my podcast there or reading my blogs. Thank you so much for all your constant support. Well, listeners, as you know, all my blogs comes with a specific topic, experience share, or something that can help us grow faster in life. Like I keep saying, keep sharing happiness, keep sharing wellness in everything that I do. And I keep encouraging everyone to do similarly. Well, today I have a very beautiful topic. The topic is moving over circles. Well, when I say moving over circles, it's not about going around, round and round circles. It's about moving over new opportunities in life. Moving over scope of betterment. Moving over newer achievable goals. And before I get to that, let me tell you, there's a very famous saying, same efforts, same results. New efforts, new results. So getting out of one circle is the key to a new environment of change. So moving over circles is about moving over new environments, moving over new opportunities, and moving over new achievements, over all your efforts and over all your betterments that you keep scaling and achieving on a day-to-day basis. Well, moving over circles breaks the barrier on never seen, never been. Never explode, never exploited. Never to say never again. So moving over circles is about continuously finding newer things, better opportunities, finding better ways to keep you happy and of course grow over in life. Moving over circles is looking for new scope on opportunities, like I said. Looking at ways and efforts how you can actually simply better yourself. It's about exploring better methods and of course most importantly keeping you on a high, and in understanding that yes, there's always something new that you can do, there's always something different that you can explore, and of course there's always a way to achieve or scale whatever you want to move over in life. So moving over circles, well, to begin with moving over circles, I must tell you very basics of what you need to do. You need to face your fears. Don't run away from things that scare you. Well, when I say don't run away from things that scare you, in simple terms, come out of your comfort zone. You gotta be out of your comfort zone to explore. Learn and grow. When I say learn and grow, it's as simple as keep improving, keep improvising, and keep implementing whatever you learn, and that will help you grow over in time. Be courageous. So when I say be courageous, you've got to explore, you've got to take a risk, you've got to look at ways how things can be done, look at your potential, look at what you deserve. That'll help you to keep going and that'll help you to keep growing in life. So when I say moving over circles, in all my podcasts I talk about key takeaways, I talk about your personal lives, your professional lives, all your contribution in life. So in each one of our segments in life, be it your personal life, your professional life, or your contribution across life, it all comes down to one thing. You as an individual, you as an entity, how much value you can put in. And when I look at my subject for today, moving over circles, what are the key takeaways that one should look at? Well, moving over circles is very challenging, and it's very important for you to boost your self-esteem and your self-worth. That is the top priority of everything. You have to stay motivated and understand your worth. That'll help you to take you out of your comfort zone, take over new challenges in whatever you're exploring. Build resilience to face challenges. Nothing comes easy, there's a challenge in everything. Trust your goal setting to move boundaries. Believe in your decision over life. So, trust and belief will go hand in hand out here. So, as you trust, you need to believe that you will achieve it. Remember your worth. Remember what you deserve. Remember, whatever efforts you're going to put in is going to make you achieve your goal, better yourself. It's going to help you over all your scope, be it professional sphere, personal sphere, or all your contribution in life. And moving over circles. So when I say moving over circles, there's a 4-letter word that I just created. The 4-letter word is wait. Well, what is wait? Wait definitely has a purpose. When I say wait out here, moving over circles, it's why am I thinking? Well, when you are moving over circles, you need to have a purpose over your goal, over your vision, over your dreams, over what you want to achieve in life. So when you wait, that will help you to think, that will help you to realize, that will help you to understand what efforts will be required over the challenges that you will face a long time, and definitely it will help you to overcome those challenges. If you want something for yourself, it better be the best. So wait will actually help you to get the best for yourself. So if I was to give you a quote, if I was to look at a quote or moving over circles, I will say, sit down and understand. Change will never happen sitting back, hoping and waiting. We have to change ourselves by moving over circles. So we need to move if you're looking for change. Moving over circle is about working. It's about exploring. It's about trying. It's about failing. It's about learning, growing, and then scaling and achieving. So there's no better thing in life. There's no better way in life. And there's nothing better in life than having a better life. So if you want to have the best of whatever you want to do in life, you've got to move over circles. So I would definitely tell you these 2-liners, that there is no better thing in life than having a better life. So if you want to have a better life, you got to be moving over circles. So listeners, as you know, I keep all my podcasts very simple, very crisp, very precise, and I just give you highlights on what things you could look at, what a kind of checklist you could make for yourself, because you have a different goal, you are in a different situation, you are in different circumstances, and of course you are in a different sphere of life. So most importantly, it's about getting the right direction over your goals. So moving over circles. Like I said it earlier, I'm saying it once again. There is no better thing in life than having a better life. So if you want to have a better life, you need to keep exploring, you need to keep facing off challenges, you need to keep achieving, and you need to keep starting over and over again. So every time you scale over, you achieve something, you start again and again and again. You got to keep moving over circle, and that is life. That will give you the best life that you deserve, and that will make you the best version of yourself. I hope you like listening to this podcast, Moving Over Circles. As you know, my podcast is available across all platforms. You can come and listen to my podcast, tell me an experience, share, you go ask me for a topic that you want me to talk about, and of course keep sharing my podcast all across. Thank you so much for listening to my podcast. This is George Nathaniel. I wish you all wellness, all happiness, and I wish you greater success in all your endeavors in life. Keep shining, and of course keep growing and keep sharing all the good things in life. Thank you so much. This is George Nathaniel.